Whoa, this is so cool. I never seen this truck before. What do you guys have?
This smoothie and cookies, pizzas, and hamburgers and tacos. What do you like to have?
I'm gonna take a taco and a burger. Sounds really good, but I'm gonna take a taco.
Okay. It's coming right up.
Thank you.
8, 9. Do you want a drink?
Yes, please. Can I have
Large banana smoothie.
large banana smoothie, please?
Okay, it's coming right up. Fruit smoothie. I love to cook food on my grill. Order up.
How much is both of them together?
$6.
$6. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Can I have my smoothie?
Yes. 9.
Thank you. This
Bye.
looks so good. I'm gonna drink at home.
Yes. Burgers. Burgers, come get your burgers.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, do you guys have pizza?
No.
What? What about tacos?
No.
No? Can I get a burger?
We have burgers.
Yeah, can I get a burger, please?
Yes, you can. Coming right up.
Thank you. Whoa, those are your burger?
Yes, it is.
Nice. Lettuce and beef. Looks so yummy. Yeah. You're good.
Almost done.
Whoa, that's a nice burger.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you. This is the best burger I ever had. There's so much. Can I get a medium strawberry?
It's $2.
All right, here you go. Thank you. Oh yeah, I got my burger and I got my strawberry drink. Oh, it's so yummy. Thank you.
You're welcome. Burgers, burgers, come get you burgers. Burgers, burgers.
Hi again.
Hi.
The taco was really good and the banana smoothie. Can I try now the pizza, please?
Okay.
I want 5 pizzas, please. Oh,
The pizzas are ready. Ready. It's ready.
thank you. I'm gonna get myself a small grape.
Okay. Enjoy.
You forgot my smoothie. Oh, there we go. This looks so yummy. I'm gonna go drink it at home and eat this. Yummy mushrooms and pepperoni and broccoli.
Yes. Was it lucky day? Yes. I have to go home now. Bye guys. Hope you like my video. Subscribe my video. And give it a thumbs up.